protocols observed. My name is Absalom Mwibanda. I'm the DCIO, so in Zigoet. I'm the only lucky DCIO to head 2 sub-counties. Yes. So, Wanawaziri, I want to say the following. I am really happy and humbled that you initiated this exercise whereby you collect views from the ground. And it's the way to go. It's good you took this from your predecessor, Professor Kindiki, and it only takes a lawyer like you to do that. I want to echo the following. Sir, I know there are so many issues and they are repetitive, and I think when you go around the country, they're bound to be repeated. So in Sigoet, those are 2 sub-counties, and we don't have a vehicle to carry out that exercise. You'll wake up one morning, there are 5 murder cases, and you're supposed to attend all of them. My OCS has been very helpful, and the allocation is given, I think, I would say it's peanuts. So we would like that, we are requesting that you give us a vehicle and those other sub-counties that require the same. And also increase the allocation for fuel. Sir, the AIE, we request that the AIE be increased so that at least because of inflation, we request that you look into the issue so that at least we can render justice to members of the public. Further to that, sir, the big elephant in the house, you members of previous members have spoken about promotion. Promotion has been an issue. It did not start with you. But I'm happy that you're biting the bullet and you're trying to address the issue. Yes, and because you're a lawyer, you understand the rights of the officers. And for that, I say thank you. This promotion, when we look at our SSO, the Inspector General has the mandate to even recruit a member of the public who is professional and gazette him to be a superintendent. It's provided for in the SSO. He can promote somebody even threefold, depending on the capacity of that fellow. You heard my previous speaker asking, what is this about merit? Yeah? You'll wake up in the morning, you find that your colleague has been promoted on merit. But this is a fellow you've been teaching how to work. And so how did they bypass you? That this man is promoted and you don't have any adverse report, but he's promoted nonetheless. So those issues are itchy, and we are requesting as the DCI and the NPS that you look into those issues. There's something nobody has mentioned, sir, as a practicing advocate. We will want you to look into this issue keenly and with a lot of interest. The issue of ODPP, the judiciary, vis-a-vis IPOA. IPOA has scared officers to work. These officers seated here, you find that some of them are being killed because they're fearing to be taken to court by IPOA when there are justifiable instances whereby they have to protect life and the property. So I'll prevail upon you to talk to IPOA to go slow so that they don't have to rush officers to court for having carried out what is actually their mandate. Officers are complaining, they're not telling you. These officers, when we take somebody to court, you find that upon application, of course, which is a right, enshrined in the Constitution, an officer requests for more day so that he can carry out investigation and expert in the case. So the magistrate gives you a day. So a day, how are you going to carry out investigation and ensure that you conform to the Constitution and the procedures thereto? Yes, on my own initiative, sir, I have previously undertaken to talk to the judicial officers, so to speak. They have been under here. I've approached the judiciary, I mean the judge and the magistrate, that I have interest in this case, so kindly give me more days. And they have not let me down. So at your own level, talk to the Chief Justice so that we don't lose cases on these issues. Sir, I want to report that we have had very good working relationship with Ngao, and I must say they have been very helpful. And where I come from, you know, it's the epicenter of stock theft. Sondu area, Nyakach, up to Nyamira down there. We've engaged the Ngao people. They have helped us. They have given us information, and we have managed to execute our mandate diligently. So we want you to help us, assist us, at least by financing that, so that we don't fail. Sir, you'll find that information is power. If you don't have information, you cannot presume to know everything. So we are requesting that that allocation for information at least be increased so that we can work well. Sir, another thing I would want to ask, and I'm requesting passionately about this. It's been a while we've not taken our officers to the DCI Academy for training. And this one is empowering us on the issues of investigation. So as soon as you allocate at least some finances so that we can have at least a bigger number of officers going there so that they can learn investigations. And also increase the number of investigators. Right now, you'll go to some station, you find a DCIO has only 2 officers. In this sub-county, or 4. One is on leave, another one is sick, another one has gone to court. Murder has happened, so you don't know how to proceed from there. So I'm requesting that at least if you looked into that, we will appreciate. And sir, though I'm not supposed to pinpoint a particular person, there's an officer in the anti-stock theft unit. If it were my wish, if you left here and get a promotion to the next rank, it will be very helpful. That officer has helped us arrest cattle rustlers and thieves. And that's how we have managed that border. You've not had instances. If I told they were promoting people on merit, this officer has served for 10 years. He's called Yare Nur. He has served for 10 years as a corporal. He has helped us achieve a lot. If actually they are promoting people on merit, they should have looked at such a case. With all those few remarks, sir, thank you very much. I keep on championing this Chukwa thing. As my senior in the practice, I look forward to seeing more in this. Finally, Waheshimiwa, I am requesting, Waheshimiwa now, this is where we are going to clash. Waheshimiwa, we respect you so much, and we will want you to be example. But there's somewhere you are going wrong, and I felt I should say this before, Waziri. This issue of giving tokenism. Yes, you have a rally, you are finished, and then you give money, and people start fighting. Then you see we are left, we cannot control these fellas. These fellas are overrunning our police. Recently, somebody hit me down the ground. Yeah? Can they just find a way of picking people you can give money? Must you give flash money so that people know you are please? Mheshimiwa Waziri, jaribu kondeni waheshimiwa for that. With those few words, thank you.
So welcome, just welcome. Welcome.